Hi guys, and welcome back to Total Technik. Today we're back working on the Audi A4, S4 and RS4. This is the B8 platform, and today we're going to be looking at where the battery is located. You've probably already had a look under your bonnet, under your hood. No joy there. You've had a look in the trunk, in the boot, on both sides, the left-hand side panel and the right-hand side panel. No luck on either of those. So where is it? Let's take a look. Audi have hidden the battery away underneath the spare wheel. Now thankfully it's not very hard to get this out, so we'll do that real quickly now. So just lift up the latch for the boot floor and just hook that on to the rubber seal using the latch. Next you've got this spindle in the centre of the spare wheel. Just undo that and remove. Next carefully lift the spare wheel, grab it from the centre, pull him up and out of the car. So you'll see we have this plastic cover, and on here we have a little sticker there showing the emergency procedure for your wheel change, and this is just a plastic cover and it lifts straight up, and so you can remove that and put that to one side. So with that plastic cover out of the way, you can see you now have perfect access to the battery, which is hidden away directly underneath your spare wheel. If this video has been helpful for you, please be sure to hit the like button before you leave, and also please subscribe for lots more Audi videos coming your way soon. Thanks guys, see you again.